So now we are going to practice solving literal equations. We solve literal equations much the same way we solve regular equations. For example, here's a one-step equation, 3D equals 12. In order to solve for D, we need to divide each side by 3. Our answer, or our solution, is D equals 4. Here's our one-step literal equation, P equals mv, and we would like to solve for V. In order to solve for V, we need to divide each side by m. This gives us the solution P over m equals V. Now we're going to look at a two-step equation. 4t plus 3 equals 15. To solve for t, we need to first subtract 3 from both sides. That cancels out. We're left with 12 on the right side and 4t on the left side. To get t by itself, we're going to divide both sides by 4, and we end up with t equals 3 as our solution. Our literal equation, a equals 1/2 bh, is also a two-step solution. We are going to solve it for b. So first, we're going to divide by h. We have a over h equals 1/2 b. We're still trying to solve for b, so we need to divide by 1/2. But with fractions, we don't ever really divide. Instead, we multiply by the reciprocal. So we're going to multiply both sides by 2 over 1, leaving us with 2a over h equals b. Okay, now we're going to look at some more complex equations. First, we're going to begin with 2x minus 3 equals 9 plus 4x. To begin, we are going to get our variables on the same side. So I'm going to move the 2x to the other side, and I end up with negative 3 on the left and 9 plus 2x on the right. I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides, and I end up with negative 12 on the left and 2x on the right. I'm going to divide both sides by 12, and I get negative 6 equals x. Now we will look at our literal equation, 5x plus 2y equals z. We are going to solve for y. So we begin by subtracting 5x from both sides. And here these cancel out, and we're left with 2y on the left and z minus 5x on the right. We divide both sides by 2, and we end up with y equals z minus 5x over 2 as our solution.